Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying, right? And waiting for the videos also because these are very interesting to you, right? So I'm here with the chapter 3, class 3 chapter 6, and the name of the chapter is Juan Bobo's Pot. Juan Bobo's Pot. So you can easily understand that I hope you understood Juan Bobo, a name of a boy, and his pot. This is a story about his pot. Let's see, let us move on. What is about the pot, right? Juan Bobo's pot, did you notice that there are several silly things? So I have started from the first page, it's there. A pic is there. The pic is contained so many activities, right? So what you have to do, you have to find out the activities, the name of activities you have to find out, right? Like swimming, jumping, dancing, sitting. This way you have to find out. So this is a game you can enjoy with your friends. You can ask your brother or sisters. Okay, so this is the page. Now second page onwards, what you have to do. So once there was a boy, his name was Juan, and afterwards he called Juan Bobo because of that he was very silly. Because of that only he was called Juan Bobo, right? One day Juan Bobo's mother invited friends for dinner. Juan's mother invited some of her friends for dinner. So now what she has to do? She wanted to make chicken stew. She said to Juan Bobo, she had the chicken, she had the rice, she didn't have a large enough pot. So she told to Juan, go to your grandmother's house and borrow the biggest pot from your grandmother's house. I have everything except that pot. So you go and borrow that. He reached there, and there he went straight to the cupboard where she kept the pot, and he lifted it up on his own shoulder, right? And thanked grandmother and moved towards his house. Home wasn't far. It was not far away, but thing is that as it was very heavy and the bigger in size also, so he felt I would take rest. And say when he was taking rest, he just planned to take a rest for a while, forgot about that his mother is waiting. The pot seemed to be staring back at him. उसको लगा कि the pot जो है वो stare कर रहे. It was looking at him in a different way, in a astonished way. Okay, now suddenly he noticed those three legs. Pot was having three legs, so he said, hey, you have three legs and I have only two. Why should I carry you? So when he saw that the pot is with three legs, means that three stand, you see, sometimes you can see, or you saw that legs means that stand only. So he said, you would have three legs and I have only two legs, so why should I carry you? Better you walk and you go. So this way he told the pot, right? It's easy, the house is just downhill. The house is just downhill corner, so it's very easy. He said, it's very easy to reach there. I need not to have the three legs or two legs. He said, nodding at the pot. He was sure it understood his direction. So the pot, how it was indicating, okay, it's very easy, down straight way, it's downhill at the corner, so it's easy. If we kick the pot, it will reach there on time. and you need not to carry also. So now understood this direction, I'm off, he said, and he began to race towards home. Now both of them started moving towards that. When he reached the cottage, he rushed inside and said to his mother. So he reached there, did get here first. So mother asked, just give me the pot first, afterwards I'll talk to you. I have to prepare the stew. Jian Babu's mother looked at her son's sweaty, flushed face and said, what are you talking about? Where is your grandmother's pot? uh, just give me that pot only. I'm waiting for that only. I have to prepare because friends are being invited. They are about to come. Juan Bobo ran back. Now Juan Bobo can remember that it was kept there only. So Juan Bobo ran back up the hill and found the pot right there where he kept, right where he left it. Lazy pot, he shouted. You lazy pot! Now I'm in the trouble. Now I'm in trouble with my mother and I may not have dinner tonight. And you are sitting here. You didn't come with me. And I may not have dinner tonight. My mother is not going to provide me dinner tonight. You have one more chance. Get going down the hill. So he said, okay, one more chance is there. You go first and help your mom to prepare that stew, right? So naturally the pot just sat there staring at poor Juan Bobo, and this made the boy angry. When he was looking at him, staring at him, and this made him angry. How could you look at me like this way? My mother, she is in trouble. I am also in tension because I will not be given dinner, and you are staring at me. How could you? And so the Juan got very angry. It tipped over on its side and began to roll. So उन्होंने क्या किया? What did he do? Just tipped the over the pot and just started, or he just rolled it. Okay, roll down the hill. That's right, Juan Bobo cried. Juan Bobo cried, yes, that's right. Overjoyed that, and at last the pot was on its way home. So he was thinking, if I am again late, so it's very difficult to cook for friends, my mother friends, and already I am late, and because of that I'm not being served that dinner, and again if I'm late, then I will not have dinner. Okay, so he suggested you just go like this way, let it roll, and it will reach on time. Juan Bobo was very happy that night as he ate the delicious 10 delicious, very tasty stew. In the morning, his mother said, now, Juan Bobo, take the pot back to your grandmother. Now, get it back to your grandmother because you already brought it from there and you have to return it. Juan Bobo's grandmother's house, and Juan Bobo looked at the pot and saw that it still had 3 legs. So he thought still it has 3 legs still, and even though he was full with the delicious chicken stew, he still had only 2 legs. Juan thought, I have only 2 legs, and still he is having 3 legs, and with that stew also, filled with stew also. So why he will not go alone? Why I have to take it and I have to reach it safely at grandma's house? Okay. But Juan Bobo's heart was kind. So afterwards he thought, no, I should not think like that, because it helped my mom to cook that stew, chicken stew. So whole night it was used for cooking. I should be kind towards it. So he picked up the pot. So he forgot about that. Previously he was thinking, in the beginning he was thinking, Array, it has 3 legs, I have only 2 legs, and already it is filled with that stew and all. Why he will not go alone? Why I have to help him to reach there? But afterwards he felt, no, I should not be so unkind to him. I have a good heart. I should feel about him. Whole night it was used for cooking. So he may be tired, the pot may be tired, so I will not ask it to go alone. I will put it on my shoulder and I will help it to reach at my grandmother's house. Okay, so at the same time he said to the pot, okay fine, this time I am helping you to reach there, but next time do one thing, you go on your own. This time you go back on your home. This time I am going to help you. I am going to take you back to my grandmother's house. So see the boy, he was so kind, Juan Bobo, he was so kind. He felt like that ki whole day it was used for cooked, so it may be tired, though he is having 3 legs, doesn't matter. So we should also have a good heart, right? We should also think about others also. So the boy is so good, no? He thought about that pot ki it used whole night. It was used whole night for cooking. It was used for whole night, no, means it was used for cooking for a longer time, right? So it may be tired or doesn't want to work, though it has 3 legs, so I should help it to reach at grandmother's house. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Take care.